thanks for tuning in on today's video. Tonight we are going to be doing another midnight run here in beautiful downtown Mexico. Well, actually we're gonna go to different parts of Mexico. So right now I'm waiting for one of my boys that we're gonna be riding in his Mercedes-Benz C63. In the meantime, let's just appreciate my 2010 Camaro SS. A night drive is not complete without LEDs. There seems to be a lot of trend with LEDs, and I made a little review on them. You guys can check it out in the link in the description or in the cards above. Hopefully nothing like that happens tonight. You guys seen some of the midnight runs that I posted in the past, so you know that these kind of get a little crazy. But for now, we wait. Give me a little rev. Come on, you know you want to. You guys can check out the full review I did on this car. Card above or link in the description below. Subscribe if you already haven't. Riding in style and in comfort.
I'm gonna do the driver's meeting, but I can't go. So I usually the lead car, but today I'm in my boat, so I'm not gonna be able to even like.
We can go down south.
This.
Remember that one? That one was fun.
Yeah.
What are the best roads right now? We need to figure that out because there's way too
definitely
much
not turnpike.
There's way too much construction.
Shit, right?
Okay, but okay, then so we're gonna go with. How do you want to get there?
This is all in Mexico, by the way.
Let's end it. Always put signal lights because everybody is fast. So maybe you look, there's no one there. When you turn, it's already a car there. So please use the signal lights for the good of everyone here. Like watch the way that we drive, learn, and then go with the group. On the first run, please don't try to be the hero.
See, we're all civilized here. This is all a civilized, organized, legal type of event. Boy, Elliot's whip, okay. Okay, now you can appreciate the mat a little bit better. Gas station lighting, always on point. like going to Mars or something. What the hell? Mars Explorer right there.
It's a good video spot for you.
Time to fly, boys. We lost a significant amount of people. I think there's probably like 1/3 of everything that we just did.
You don't know how to get the van light? Just put it in your GPS.
Sir, are you gonna do a little lunch for us?
Hey, is that a rental?
What time does your dad want it back? Holy crap! Nothing happened! And just like that, we are back.
I'm just gonna pull a little bit.
And just like that, guys, I am concluding the vlog for tonight. If you found this video interesting, go ahead and give this video a like. Helps out a lot with the algorithm. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, which was one of your favorite cars that participated in today's Midnight Rally. And guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. I want to get to 2,000 by the end of the year. We're almost there, guys. 2,000 subscribers, that's the goal for 2020. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, any of my vlogs, any of my reviews. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you next time.